Today I am reviewing the Skytech Prism 4 Gaming PC Desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Skytech Prism 4 Gaming PC Desktop is one of the most powerful gaming PCs available today, designed for enthusiasts who want nothing but the best in performance, aesthetics, and reliability. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a content creator, or someone who demands a machine that can handle absolutely everything, this system is built to impress. Let's start with the heart of the system, the CPU. The Skytech Prism 4 comes with an AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D, running at a base clock of 4.7 GHz and turbo boosting up to 5.2 GHz. This processor is a powerhouse for gaming and productivity, offering incredible single-threaded performance and multi-threaded efficiency. Paired with the 360mm AIO liquid cooler with RGB fans, you get unmatched thermal performance, meaning your CPU stays cool even under heavy workloads or long gaming sessions. Say goodbye to thermal throttling. This system allows the processor to unleash its full potential without compromise. Next up, the graphics. The Prism 4 comes equipped with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 with 32 GB of GDDR7 memory. This is a next-generation GPU capable of handling 4K gaming at ultra settings with ease. From the latest AAA titles like Elden Ring, Shadow of the Erdtree, Marvel Rivals, and Dragon's Dogma 2, to competitive shooters like Valorant, CS2, and Apex Legends, this GPU delivers smooth frame rates, realistic ray trace lighting, and stunning visuals. With 32 GB of VRM, you also have plenty of headroom for demanding professional workloads like video editing, 3D rendering, and AI-based applications. The system's X870 motherboard ensures stability and provides a high-speed foundation for all your components. Supporting 64 GB of DDR5 RAM at 6000 MHz with RGB lighting, you get exceptional multitasking performance. You can run multiple applications, stream your gameplay, edit videos, and even render 3D scenes simultaneously without any lag. The heat spreaders and high-quality design ensure your memory runs efficiently, even under long gaming marathons. Storage is another area where the Prism 4 shines. The 2TB Gen4 NVMe SSD provides blistering read and write speeds, up to 30 times faster than traditional HDDs. Loading times for games, applications, and large projects are nearly instantaneous. You'll spend less time waiting and more time gaming or creating content. Connectivity is fully modern with USB 3.2 Gen 1 and Gen 2 ports, HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort, Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, and HD audio. This setup makes connecting multiple monitors, peripherals, and accessories a breeze. The system even comes with a free gaming keyboard and mouse, so you can start playing right out of the box. The cooling solution deserves special attention. The Prism 4 features high-spec AIO liquid coolers, ensuring your CPU and GPU stay at optimal temperatures. Combined with the elegant Prism 4 C8 wood curve case with RGB lighting, you not only get superior cooling, but also a visually striking setup that showcases your rig beautifully. Now, let's talk about real-world gaming performance. This machine can handle almost every game on the market at ultra settings and 4K resolution, maintaining smooth frame rates above 60 FPS. Whether it's open-world titles like Grand Theft Auto 5, immersive RPGs like Baldur's Gate 3, or fast-paced shooters like Call of Duty and Overwatch 2, this system delivers buttery smooth gameplay without compromise. For creators, this system is equally capable. Video editing, 3D rendering, music production, and streaming are all seamless thanks to the combination of CPU, GPU, DDR5 RAM, and ultra-fast NVMe storage. Nothing slows this system down. Finally, the Prism 4 is backed by a 1-year warranty and free technical support, and it's assembled in the USA, ensuring quality and peace of mind. It's a complete package for gamers and creators who want a no-compromise system that can tackle everything today's software can throw at it. In conclusion, the Skytech Prism 4 Gaming PC Desktop is a dream machine for anyone who wants high-end gaming performance, professional-grade content creation capabilities, and a stunning aesthetic all-in-one. From 4K ultra gaming to heavy multitasking and professional workloads, this PC handles it all effortlessly.